Hello, this is how you doing, class? This is the directions for the algebra baseline assessment, which starts September 23rd, 8 a.m. and is due September 25th, 3 p.m. The directions: put your answer for each question below where provided. Show your work for each question on a separate sheet of paper. If you are at home working remotely, please take a picture of your work and text the image to 646-413-8362 or email rhamilton@ndssonline.org. The rubric will be graded on either it would be 0, 1, 2, or 3. 0, incorrect, irrelevant, incoherent, or contains a correct solution obtained using an incorrect procedure. Some elements may contain correct procedures but not sufficient to demonstrate understanding of the mathematical concepts and task. 1, approaching standards, and you can read this here. 2, meet standards, and then 3, exceed standards, right? I'm not going to read all of them because you could access this rubric on your assignment, but the goal is to either reach 2 or 3, preferably 3, exceed standards. Now you're going to click the assignment here. So Algebra Readiness test. Are you ready to start Algebra 1? So this baseline assessment is to see what level you are at. Let me revert that. So this baseline assessment is to see, let me know what you know and what you struggle on so I can help you. I can't start if I don't know where you stand at. It's been a long time since you've been in school. You may have forgot a lot of things, so I need to know where we are so I could adjust my lessons and meet you where you are at to make sure we're all on the same page. So here, right, you have your 5 questions, right? These are images, so you can't really edit them, but you're going to put your answer for each question below. So for number 1, right, you have this right here. You're going to solve it, and when you solve it, right, you're going to put your answer here for number 1. For number 2, you're going to solve it and put your answer here, right? For number 3, you're going to solve it and put your answer here. So for example, right, 3 to the third power plus 5 to the second power, okay? So I have my calculator, right? You can use a calculator on your notebook. So, okay, 3 to the third plus 5 to the second equals 52, right? Let me double check that. 3 to the third power is 9, plus 5 to the second is 25. Nope, 3 to the third power is 27, plus 5 to the second power is 25. Yep, 52. So I'll put my answer right here. And that's how I know you answered it. That's how I would put my answer. See, I just gave you a question. Now, if you show your work, right? So let's say I show my work. I'm going to get my pen. So here, 3 to the third plus 5 to the second. 3 to the third power is 27. Why I keep saying 9? 27. 5 to the second power is 25. 27 plus 25 equals 52, right? 12, 4, 5. All right? So, you see this right here? Right? I showed my work. Now, to get credit for this, right, I have my phone, right? Or if you don't have a phone, you can use somebody else's phone or your iPad or your whatever device you have, right? I'm going to take a picture of it. Hope everyone can see this right here. Then I'm going to press here, right? Or whenever you're done, message, right? And I text it to 646-413-8362. 8362, right? You see that? And just send it. And I will get it. See? Got it. Now, what I will do, I will take your work and send it to I have a Google Drive with all your names where I can drag all your work into that folder so you would get credit for the work shown. You to get credit, to take you from that 2 to that 3, you need to show work. If you just put your answer here for some of these questions, I need to see proof on how you did that. So to get passing credit, to get at least a 2 or a 3 on this assignment, you need to show proof of work. I just don't want to see answers. So obviously you're not going to send me a picture of every individual question. You're going to show your work for all the questions, and then when you're done, take a picture of all that and send it to me on my phone or my email, right? Either or. So we go down. You have these questions here. Whenever you find an answer for 6, you put it here. For 7, you put it here. For 8, you put it here. We go down. We have integer operations, right? And as you can see, each question has a topic to it. So depending on how you guys do, I could know what areas you're good at or you're weak at. So the same thing, for 11, you solve, you put it here. For 12, you solve, you put it here. So forth and so on. Variables and combine like terms, same thing, right? You're definitely going to have to show your work for these questions. This you can do in a calculator. You could do these. You could do these in a calculator as well, right? If you have a TI-83 or TI-84 calculator, it's especially easier. If not, I'm gonna find a way to give you guys these in the class. Evaluating expressions, right? You're definitely gonna need to show your work for this on a piece of paper. And in formulas, you're definitely gonna need to show your work here, right? I need to see work, or you can probably do it in the calculator. It's up to you, right? So for 24, 25, 26, 27, you're going to put your answers here, okay? Coordinate grid, you will need to, it says draw this graph on a separate sheet of paper and plot the points, right? So here, you're going to copy the same graph that you see, right? So I'm going to draw it. All right, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. -2, -4, -6, -8, -10. -2, -4, -6, -8, -10. Right? I see I drew my graph. Okay, X and Y. And then you're going to plot your points. I'll do one for you. Plot 5, 2. So here. All right. As you can see, this graph is going up by 2, but the ones in between, right? So if this is 0, right? And this is 2, obviously this is 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And the same thing for here. 1, this is 3, this is 5, this is 7, and this is 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5 will be right here, right? Nope. X is 5, yep. And then 2 on the Y would be right here. So this point would be right here. So I'll plot it, 5, 2. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this is how I would plot my first point. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4 more to go. All right, so that has to be done on paper. That has to be done on paper and sent to me. And then the last but not least, analyzing graphs, right? You would put your answer for each question below in a full sentence, right? So you could answer this in a full sentence. If not, I would like you to push to go there. But if you just give me the answer, that's fine as well. So for 29, that goes here. For 30, that goes here. And that's pretty much it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Comment below what you think about this video and if it helped you. And I will see you guys tomorrow.